All right, you guys, so TTV Network, like, share, and subscribe as y'all tap on in. Y'all already know how I do, man. I put the link to this article. I pinned it at the top of the comment section, and I put it in the side of the description box, along with all the other links. If y'all want to donate to the stream, y'all appreciate the content. If y'all want to subscribe to the podcast show, you can also go check out our website and get that free membership to our website, ticketvmedia.com. All that is right there. Y'all can go check that out. The links will be in the description box and get the weight loss formula. All that stuff is there. Let's get into this, though. So, a kindergarten teacher, man, absolutely disgraceful behavior, man. Smiles, a kindergarten teacher who basically has been accused of the unthinkable. Now, 2 days ago, on July the 14th, Nicole Callahan, a 33-year-old kindergarten teacher from Anderson County, South Carolina, appeared in Greenville Municipal Court for a bond hearing, drawing attention for her demeanor. Callahan, accused of serious charges involving a MINOR, was observed smiling as she entered the courtroom, a behavior that contrasted sharply with the gravity of the allegations against her. Now, the case has sparked significant public interest, particularly due to the shocking revelation from her attorney that she is currently pregnant. Now, this teacher, who resigned from a position at Homeland Park Primary School in May of this year, faces multiple charges across Anderson and Greenville counties. She's accused of engaging in a prolonged and inappropriate relationship with a teenage boy, Grant Strickland, beginning when he was 14 years old in 2021. The allegations include grooming behavior, providing the minor with alcohol, marijuana, and nicotine, and engaging in criminal sexual conduct. Now, according to court documents, Callahan's interactions with the victim intensified as she signed him out of school, transported him to extracurricular activities, and supervised him during after-school programs, including theater productions at Project Challenge Playhouse, where she served as a director. The charges against Callahan include 3 counts of criminal sexual conduct with a MINOR and 1 count of contributing to the delinquency of a MINOR, 8 counts of criminal sexual conduct with a MINOR, and 4 counts of unlawful conduct towards a child. Now, a parallel investigation is underway in Clemson, which may lead to additional charges. The victim, now 18 years old, came forward after processing the trauma, waiving his anonymity to raise awareness about male survivors of abuse. Now, during the bond hearing on July the 14th, Callahan appeared via live stream dressed in a red prison jumpsuit. Reports noted that she was seen smiling as she looked towards her family, including her fiancé, who were present in the courtroom to support her. This demeanor drew criticism given the severity of the charges and the emotional weight of the victim's statements. Grant Strickland, speaking to the press after the hearing, described the profound impact of the alleged abuse, stating, "I would never want someone to go through what I went through. I almost didn't survive it." He emphasized the need for awareness, noting, "Just because I'm a man doesn't mean it should be shunned away. I was a child." Callahan's attorney, William Epps III, revealed that during the hearing that his client is 8 to 9 weeks pregnant, a disclosure that stunned the courtroom. Epps argued for her release on bond, citing her lack of criminal history, her cooperation with law enforcement, and her need for prenatal care, which she has not received while in custody. He also highlighted her 8-year tenure as a respected elementary school teacher and her family support system. Now, the Greenville Municipal Court Judge, Matthew Hawley, granted her bond request, even after she went and smiled in court, settling a total of $120,000, basically $10,000 per count. However, her release came with strict conditions: house arrest, GPS monitoring, no contact, restricted area, which is a red zone, evaluations. She must undergo mental and physical evaluation to determine her fitness to stand trial. Now, after posing bond in Anderson County for $40,000, she was transferred to Greenville County Detention Center to face the additional charges. Her release on Greenville charges followed the July the 14th hearing. Right? Now, the man, Grant Strickland, who's now 18, spoke powerfully outside the courtroom, expressing his determination to advocate for survivors. "I'm here to fight, and I'm not going to back down," he said, emphasizing the importance of addressing abuse regardless of the victim's gender. His mother, Allison, provided a statement read in court describing how Callahan manipulated their family through her role in community theater. "Looking back, it sickens me knowing Nikki manipulated our son and our family. She saw her son's innocence, and he was very easy manipulated. The statement read, the case has ignited public discourse, particularly due to Callahan's courtroom demeanor and public and pregnancy revelation. Post on X reflected outrage, with one user noting her smile after posting bond is particularly striking given the allegations. The community theater setting, meaning to be a safe place for young people, has added to the sense of betrayal felt by the victim's family and the public, right? Man, the Anderson County's Sheriff's Office and Greenville Police Department have corroborated the allegations through search warrants in cooperation with Strickland's family. The investigation began in May of 2024, uncovering a pattern of abuse that reportedly continued for at least 2 years. Authorities noted that Callahan's actions extended into Greenville when the victim began attending school there, with alleged students occurring at locations, incidents occurring at locations such as Greenville Hotel and a downtown parking garage. The Clemson Police Department is conducting a parallel investigation which could result in further charges. Anderson School District 5 confirmed Callahan's resignation and is cooperating with law enforcement. The case underscores the vulnerability of MINORSs in extracurricular settings and the importance of vigilance in spaces like schools and community theaters. Man, these teachers out here going wild, bro. This is unbelievable work. This is nasty work, man. Every time we turn around, man, the teachers out here doing something with the students, man. Irresponsibility like a mole. And it's crazy to be them younger teachers. And they all looking like each other. 33, all this other stuff. The links to the articles in the description. Y'all let me know what y'all think in the comments. Peace. Hey, I really appreciate you guys for supporting the channel, supporting the network. Like, share, and subscribe. Once again, there are links. Get the free membership on our website. That way you guys won't miss any of our news update stories or videos. They're all on the website, ticketvmedia.com. You go over there. You can go right to the members part and become a free member. That way you guys will get all the updates. Also, Straight Drop Weight Loss Formula. Make sure y'all go tap in and copy some of that, as well as subscribing to our podcast show. Link will be pinned at the top of the chat down there below. And also, we just appreciate all y'all who support the channel. Cash App, PayPal.